Professor. Today I wanted to take some time to show you our new Mindtap program that's also integrated with Newton Adaptive Learning. This book is for the Mindtap Management book, the new edition that just came out. I know you're using the current edition and that you're managing about 2,000 students at this time. I know some of your pain points are catching at-risk students and student engagement, as well as promoting critical thinking skills, as well as, of course, managing the 2,000 students in your course. So today I wanted to show you how Mindtap can help you with some of these pain points. Since you are pretty familiar with the book, I went ahead and jumped into Chapter 3 that we see here. And you can see here there's a clear learning path of exactly what the students are supposed to do. From the self-assessment to the ebook here, to the pre-quiz, the Aptly assignment, the group project, and the post-quiz. These are all assignments that the student can work through on their own. And I know you're saying, well, that's great. How does that help critical thinking, and how does that help my at-risk students? Well, after they complete the reading, quizzes, and assignments in the learning path that you see here, there is a unit study center at the bottom, and I'm just going to scroll down on the side, little scroll buttons on the side here, and the unit study center. So the unit study center is the Newton Adaptive Learning piece of this course. Basically what it does is whatever the student has worked on before they get here, the program knows what they're struggling with, and what sorts of resources will help them master those topics. So students can go and click on this resource here, and they can see what they've mastered and what they haven't, and they can work through those resources. So you're wondering, well, what about, other things than just chapter by chapter? Well, we do have it for the whole unit, or the parts, how the book's broken up in parts. And there's, several chapters in each part, and you're probably wondering, well, I don't cover chapter 5. Well, which is totally fine. All you have to do is gray it out, so it's super easy to customize for your course. And there's also an exam study center for that whole unit, so students can prepare, for their exam for all the chapters and not just one chapter. So, Professor, do you think this would be beneficial to your students in the course? Well, I hope so. And then also, I'm sure you're asking, well, how do I identify those at-risk students that maybe aren't doing so well? Within our apps, which are right over here, there is all apps. There is a progress app. And as students fill your gradebook, you'll have analytics and a mastery report, so you can see how students are doing in the course. You can see every student's mastery report if you want to, or since you have so many students, you can see at a glance, how the students are doing learning objective by learning objective. So, instructor, what do you think of this? Do you think this would be useful in your course? Well, I hope so. I would love for my DSC, Digital Solutions Coordinator, to set you up with an account for you to look through. She's a great resource as she can help you set up your course. She will reach out to you throughout the semester, see how it's going. And we also have other team members that can help you do lots of things in the course. So we have a whole team here to help you, and I hope that you saw some valuable things that maybe you could use in your course.